Okay, for those people who are interested about putting rear sets on a Virago instead of using the bulky stock factory stuff and modding it or dealing with it or whatever, this is very doable, very easy. I say it's easy because if you had to, you could do it with basic hand tools, which is a huge plus. But anyway, and I'm doing this in reverse. I've already done these, made it up, it's finished, but I'm going to go in reverse a little bit here and show you. First thing you want to do, I got these off of eBay. These are mounts. GSXR 600, 750, 06 to 2010. And I kind of knew about these already. These existed. I thought, well, boy, what a nice set of brackets. Just do some experimenting with, you know, 10 bucks off eBay. What the heck, I'll get these and play with them, see what I can come up with. And it was a good choice. Wound up being a great choice, actually. And I'm going to tell you what here. This is a stock one here. And we're working on the left side of the bike right here. And to mount this up, it's just crazy. You're going to take these two holes that already exist that would normally have threads in them, and you're going to drill them out. Do you know what happens when you drill them out? I mean, this is crazy. It basically is going to, you know, I guess I got to call it a precision fit, but it's a tight fit, but there it is. Am I done? Well, I'm almost done. I mean, check this out. Actually, wait a minute. Let me get this the other way around. I know what my problem is. Put them upside down. But basically, here's your deal here. Make sure I got this right. Yes, I did have it right. It's going to go on there just like that. Anyway, you're going to drill out those holes. Just drill them out bigger. It slides on there. Wow, what a good deal. All right, so here's the aftermarket one here. And basically, same deal. Drill it out. It slides on there. This bolts up on here and here. That in a little bit. You're going to get some spacers back here. I have some spaced up spacers just for measurement. I'm going to make a nice spacer for it later on. But anyway, this is basically what you're going to have. And the only thing you have to do to finish mounting it is the top bolt here on the rear set. This top bolt right here, it goes right in where it's supposed to go. I mean, it just bolts right on. Boom, done. The only thing you're going to have to do is you will have to drill another hole. This is the only hole. You're going to have to drill that and tap that right there. This bolts on, pretty simple. Drill and tap that. This goes on here on the top one. And it really works out well because the thing does need to pivot back slightly anyway. But that goes on there. And the hole I drilled is right there. And there's your rear set. I mean, could it be any easier? I don't know if it could be easier. Like I said, take your stock bracket, drill that hole and that hole. They're already existing holes. Slide it on. It's almost a bolt-on. Like I said, drill and tap a hole for this here. Again, right here. You can see where I drilled it and tapped it right there. And this is a bolt-on. Shifter's no problem. Just flip it around backwards. Yeah, you're going to have a reverse shift pattern, MotoGP, whatever you want to call it, shift pattern. So it's going to be 1 up and 4 down, but I don't think that's a bad thing. And the other thing is the stock arm, the stock shift arm here, shift lever, is a little bit long. And I'm not sure, I might cut it some more, but basically what I did, seeing as how you're going to get a shift lever with the kit, the little rear set kit for the GSXR, you can steal this off the shifter. You won't be using the Gixxer shifter, so you're going to steal this off of it. You're going to lop that off, drill a hole, and a little countersink in the back. And there you go. Now you even got a little customization on your stock shifter. Like I said, it's not finalized yet. I got to see how my feel is here. I gotta make some adjustments here maybe. So everything's kind of like in limbo now, but I guarantee you it's pretty close. So, like I said, on the left side of this, I don't know how I can make it any simpler than that. It's just really simple, really cool that it worked out. And like I said, I think you could pull it off with simple hand tools. I got a drill press and things that make straight drilling and alignments easier, but it could be done. No big deal. Okay, we're going to look at the right side now, and even that, even though it needs some modification, it's not going to be bad. So hang in there and we'll get to it right now.